Okay, hello again, everyone. Guys, this is kind of the worksheet. All right, it's very similar to the exit ticket. Same number of problems, they're in the same order. All right, so I just want you guys to use this practice like a practice exit ticket so that you do well on the exit ticket, okay? Problem number one, what's the domain of the function? All right, remember the domain is kind of like left and right. It's kind of like how wide is it? Well, this has dots. This has a dot right here and a dot right here. So this goes from -5 to +5. And it includes those points. It goes from here to here. All right, so we want a brackets. All right, -5 to +5, or just 5. And that's right here. Square brackets. It includes the points, okay? If there's an open circle here, then I would use a parenthesis. All right, so be aware of that when you take the exit ticket. All right, problem number two. The domain, again, how wide does this go? Well, look at these arrows at the end here. See, this just keeps going up, 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 up like that. Because this is an absolute value function. The domain goes -infinity to +infinity. Open brackets on both sides. It looks like this. All right, you're going to see that a lot with the domain. All right. Number three, again, what's the domain? This is another absolute value. Down, 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 and down, 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 all the way. -infinity, +infinity. It's the same answer. It's right here. All right. The domain is all the way. You're going to get that a lot. All right. All right, number four, what's the range? It's the same function as number one. Guys, it's up and down. Up and down. All right? It starts right here and goes down to here. Up and down. All right? So this goes from, use the y, down to, from -5, and this goes up to 1. And it includes those points. Up and down, guys, use the y-axis from -5 up to 1. It's right here. And it includes both points, okay? All right, number 5, what's the range? Again, it's the same one we had for number 2. Again, remember the range is up and down. Move over here so we get a better, sorry. Range is up and down. Okay, so it starts down here at -1. And it goes all the way up to +infinity. It includes -1, so it's a square bracket at -1. All the way up to +infinity is right here. All right, make sure, include the point. Square bracket, not like this one. Okay? And again, never use a square bracket at infinity. Never. All right, again, number 6, the range, up and down. As low as it goes, down, 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 -infinity. Up and down, all the way down. But how high does it go? It goes up here to 4. That's how high it goes. So it ends at 4, right here. All right? -infinity includes 4. All right, in what interval? Again, what interval of inputs? So we're talking about what x values. Is this function positive? Guys, it's positive when it's above the x-axis. It's positive right here. All right, that's where it's positive. When it's above the x-axis. All right, so the interval there, it starts right at 3. Look at the x. 3 to 5. 3 to 5. That's the interval where it's positive. It's right here. Okay? Again, guys, I want to let you know that the worksheet is not graded. All right? If it's shaped like a puzzle piece, normally, it goes in the grade book. Well, in this case, it doesn't. Okay? It's just a worksheet. It's for practice so that you do well on the exit ticket. All right, number 8. What interval is this function negative? All right, it's down here. Guys, it probably is negative down here too. All right, we're going to have to talk about that. Anyway, it's definitely negative down here. This doesn't show it negative down here, so we don't know where that starts. It's okay. We'll leave this alone. We'll just forget this side. Just look at this right down here. All right, this goes from negative infinity up to negative 7, right here. All right? There is another interval on this side, but we won't worry about it since it's not shown, okay? All right, this is number 11. I'm sorry, number 9. We're almost done. In what interval of inputs is this function decreasing? As you move right, as you move this way, it's going down. Right here. As I move right, it's coming down right here. So the interval starts at negative 3 and goes all the way to positive infinity. This is when it's decreasing, going down right here. Starting at negative 3, including negative 3, right here, going up to positive infinity. All right, what interval is it increasing? Well, it's increasing right here as you move this way. Along the x-axis, I'm moving up, 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 up. It's going up right here, okay? It's increasing right here. So it starts at negative infinity up to 3. Up to negative 3. Right there, okay? All right, last 2. All right, what interval is this function decreasing? All right, again, it's decreasing right here as you come down this way. It's decreasing down this way until it hits right here. So again, it's negative infinity to negative 3. Same answer we just got right here. All right, that's where it's decreasing, right down here. Next one, where it's increasing, right here. All right, it's going up, starting at negative 3, and keeps going up, 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 up to infinity. Right here. Okay. Guys, that is the practice exit ticket. Hopefully you did okay with that. You guys go ahead and try the exit ticket now, okay? All right, that's it. Thanks.